Hi everybody, welcome to Viral Technovations. Today, we're going to go over the latest welding machines and advances that do jobs with ease, as these may even make the most difficult projects seem easy. We're going to explore 4 different types of new and innovative methods of welding that have the potential to accelerate, automate, and provide more creative solutions. Make sure to watch till the end, because these new welding methods could help take the industry to whole new levels. 1. Surface tension transfer process. Developed and patented by Lincoln Electric, the benefits of surface tension transfer welding include less of a learning curve, a reduction in spatter and toxic fumes, and an increase in production speed. This process looks to replace gas metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding and works best with galvanized and stainless steel. It's a form of gas metal arc welding that prevents overheating, burning through, and minimizes distortion. 2. Friction stir welding. There are different types of friction stir welding, but more innovative methods are providing more possibilities for more stable, secure bonds between different metals, such as steel and aluminum. The automotive industry, such as Honda, has been able to reduce manufacturing costs without sacrificing safety and build quality. FSW is a solid-state joining process that joins adjacent workpieces without melting the material. Heat is generated by friction between the rotating tool and material. Three. Laser welding. The initial upfront costs for laser welding is higher than traditional spot welding options, but the time savings makes this method way more efficient. How it works is that it converts light energy into heat energy via heat conduction. The welding depth is generally less than 2 mm and causes the materials to melt and flow into each other for permanent fusion. 4. Resistance spot welding. This is an efficient method to save on weight and time, especially when used in the automotive industry, as it has eliminated the use of rivets on different parts of a vehicle at General Motors. Resistance spot welding is accomplished by using pointed tip electrodes coming from opposite ends, with pressure and forces a large current through the spot, and is great to use with lighter materials, such as aluminum. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of today's and tomorrow's technologies and much more. Check out this video of the best sleep technology in 2021 from all over the globe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.